Morning, guys. It is March 2nd, 2023. So now I'm going to go do an annual on a oil boiler that I do every year. It's right down the street, it's not too far from me. And I've been doing it now for, I don't know, maybe 7-8 years, I guess, every year. And we got a little snow the other day, not a lot, maybe 4 inches of slush. Really wasn't much going on with that a couple of days ago. And anyway, I'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Miss Molly's got another sweater thing on today. Miss Molly. She's a big star. Anyway, we'll get some shots when I get over there. I'll probably take it apart, check the filter, seeing that we're dealing with all this biodiesel in this area now, so we'll be checking the filters. I think I might have did it last year, but we don't know where they're buying the oil from. Supposedly, you could ask the company if they're using the biodiesel. The oil company, delivery company. I'm going to tell her that, you know, make sure, ask about if they're doing the biodiesel. You don't want it. Anyway, I'll try to get you some shots. Well, it's been about a year, a little over a year. Got a power vent, it's nice and clean outside. We've got a full tank of oil. We'll check this filter. See, it's not all black, so that's good. I'm not a big fan of these. Not a big fan. It's good to pop this with a screwdriver. I've hit that before. I've hit this before with a wrench and broke off the nipples. Not a good idea. Oh yeah, look at that. That's that biodiesel shit. Look at that. Wow. That's terrible. That's definitely the biodiesel shit. Wow. Wow, look at that. Holy shit, guy. Wow. Wow, look at that. Holy shit. There you go, biodiesel. That's the shit you don't want right there. Terrible. Wow. I changed this filter last year. Look at that. That's the biodiesel. Wow. Holy sheep shit. Flipping nuts. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. Not good. pretty sure I did check the filter last year. I did bring a filter in for this thing. Oh, I did. F4. Wow. All I could say is wow. Crazy. Holy sheep shit. Yeah, leave it to the government to screw up something good. Sure enough, I'm gonna have to check the, probably gonna have to check the filter pump also. We'll see what we're getting for flow on the other end, but that was bad. That was terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Get the flipping thing. Gnarly. Wow. It's flipping bad. Here it comes. Really terrible. Really unbelievable is all I could say. I want to see what this looks like. I had a good oil flow last year. It don't look like I changed the filter, but biodiesel. Why would you screw up a good thing? We had clean oil there for years. Oil was clean, clean, clean. Didn't have to change filters for years. It was fine. But no, it was screwed up. Unbelievable. Leave it to the government to screw up a good thing. So I always say. Ain't crazy bad, but I'll give it a cleaning. See it? A little bit of shit on there, ain't bad. Yeah, you can just put new filters in, but you can just clean them too, so whatever you want to do. Just clean it. Didn't even really have to take that out. That would have been fine. It would have been fine. When I see a filter like that, I kind of get a little concerned. Filthy. I had a good oil flow last year. It don't look like I changed the filter last year. Well, it's been over a year. It's been about a year and a half since I've been here last. That's flipping crazy. That is totally nuts. You can see this is nice and clean. It's been running clean. I've seen the power venter outside's not dirty, so we'll put a new nozzle in it, lead the pump, and fire it up. What the fuck is going on here with this thing? This type of head, you have to run a 45 or 60 nozzle. This type of head. It looks pretty dirty. Three-quarter and 5/8. That's probably a 75/45 in there. Looks like I'm out of 75s. I'll throw an 85 in there, be alright. It's a Colonial, so. You can see how there's a mark there, so I know where to put the drawer assembly back. It's pulled all the way back. I'm going to have to bleed the pump because I did open it up. Got a delayed oil valve on here, so it shouldn't be an issue. Hard lock out. I had the pump open. So we'll reset. Call for heat, should fire. Yeah, we're fine with the air band. She's not leaking. They're definitely running that biodiesel junk. Last year I was here, I did a new nozzle, cleaned the burner head. We had a good oil flow. I think I checked the filter. It was fine. Good draft oil, file zero, smoke running lean. This year, it's about a year and a half. Replaced filter at tank, it was really dirty. Cleaned oil pump filter, new nozzle. Lead oil line, zero smoke. I went with a little bigger nozzle because I didn't have one 75.75. I want a 0.85, but it's fine. I checked the fire. Area band's fine. It's on standby now. That delayed oil valve's questionable, but you really don't even need it anyway. That thing is totally shit. That's that biodiesel. Terrible. Fucking nuts. Crazy. What is it, Miss Molly? Let me get her a slip. I like the sweater. Part of your massive wardrobe. Just wants me to pet her. That's all she wants. Need all the attention, Miss Molly. You need all the attention.